Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make or cook and then bake ground pork and beef casserole. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need soy sauce, black pepper, salt, the ground pork and beef, and then cream, all-purpose cream, onions, garlic, tomatoes, bell pepper, peas, carrots, and potatoes, cream of mushroom soup, and then cheese. I'm not going to put an oil because I think this is oily. So, we try to cook this ground pork and beef first. And then we will cook this one until it will be done. Okay, guys, it's already cooked, so we're gonna saute the garlic. Ikahon na to ang garlic, guys. The onions and the tomatoes, guys. Next, we're gonna add the black bell pepper also. Add the vegetables. I think that's too much. Okay. And then this one also, guys, the peas. Okay. I'm gonna add a little soy sauce. Okay, guys. Mushroom soup. And then we're gonna add this cream. Okay, we'll taste. Okay, and then after this one, pepper, pinch of salt, guys. One. You can put any kinds of vegetables, guys. Broccoli, if you have broccoli. But I do not have broccoli. That's why I put carrots, potatoes, peas. Okay. So after this one, guys, this is done, but we're gonna bake this one. and put some cheese. Okay. Okay guys. So that one is done. And we're gonna assemble this one inside. Okay guys, so the meat and the vegetables are cooked. So we're gonna put it here. And bake. I preheated the oven for 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and then for 20 to 25 minutes. God, a lot of cheeses, guys. Okay, next we're gonna add this, continue add this one. So I mix cheddar cheese and mozzarella. Cheesy ground pork and beef casserole. Cheesy ground pork and beef casserole, guys. Oh, hirot din nato para super cheesy. Okay guys, so it's done. Okay, we're gonna bake now. Hide for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, so that's it. It's done. Look at that one. Oh, the casserole, the ground pork and beef casserole. Look at, guys, it's yummy. It's done. Our ground beef and pork casserole. Okay, so I'm gonna taste a little. Look at that one. Oh, it's very cute. Okay. Look at that one. Okay guys, so it's tasting time. Super hot. It's yummy. It's yummy, guys. It's cheesy. Super yummy. The vegetables. It's super hot. Okay guys, so this is our ground beef and pork casserole. Okay, it's done and it's super yummy. Guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bruja, to my Instagram, The_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.